Good news, 2 more of C-295W medium-lift aircraft to be delivered within the next few months, and aerospace firm sees Philippines as growing market for defense aircraft. Multinational aerospace company Airbus has projected the Philippines as a growing market for defense aircraft, and the firm is open to explore possible investment opportunities in the future. In a virtual media briefing on Monday, Airbus Defence and Space head of Asia Pacific Johan Pelissier said, "Fleet modernization for military aircraft has fueled the demand in the Asia Pacific region, including the Philippines." Pelissier added, "The Philippines is a key market for Airbus, having its physical footprint in the local aerospace industry for more than 4 decades. Airbus has delivered 5 C-295 medium-lift transport aircrafts to the Philippine Air Force. The latest contract is a fleet of 3 C-295W airlifters, and one of which arrived last March." The 5.288 billion pesos contract for the 3 C-295 aircrafts was signed in 2019 as part of the government's military modernization program. Pelissier said the company is expected to deliver the 2 C-295 airlifters in the coming months. The Philippine Air Force's active use of the C-295W has fully demonstrated it as a reference user of the tactical airlifter in the region. The C-295 MPA maritime patrol aircraft can also support the country's maritime security preparedness, with the increasing need in the region to reinforce assets for maritime surveillance. Thank you for watching. For more update, don't forget to like and subscribe.